Ting Internet full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Ting Internet plans and pricing are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Now, let's jump right into the review. Ting Internet is an innovative ISP known for its flexible pay-as-you-go model and fast fiber optic internet. It's an ideal choice for users who value customizable service without the commitment of traditional contracts. Ting operates in select areas, primarily focusing on fiber-to-the-home services, delivering up to 1 GB speeds with no data caps. The main selling point of Ting is its pay-for-what-you-use approach, which gives users the ability to adjust their internet speed and monthly price based on their needs, making it highly adaptable for light users and heavy consumers of bandwidth. Let's break down the strengths. Ting's flexibility is a game changer. You can select from a variety of speeds and only pay for the speed you actually need. For example, if you're not a heavy internet user, you can get a lower speed plan and save money. But if you need faster speeds for streaming, gaming, or remote work, you can easily upgrade. Ting also offers a highly transparent pricing model with no hidden fees, installation charges, or data overage costs. Their customer service is excellent, with real-time support and fast response times. Plus, their fiber network delivers reliable and consistent performance for most activities. However, there are a few weaknesses to consider. Availability is limited. Ting is not available in every state, so it's crucial to check if it's offered in your area. While fiber speeds are great, the service may be slower in more rural or less populated areas, especially outside their fiber footprint. Additionally, some users may find the pricing a bit higher than traditional ISPs, but this is offset by the flexibility and no-contract options. Overall, Ting Internet is a great option for users who value flexibility and transparency, especially those who want control over their plan without being locked into long-term contracts. If you're in a coverage area, check out the links in the description for the latest offers. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert insights.